Hey, what's up everybody? I received some new products from EV-Base. These are door sill protectors for the Cybertruck. And they look awesome. They're obviously not protecting the doors. They're more for show, more than go. Nothing's really protecting the stainless steel, but these look incredible. It's gonna add the extra little pizzazz to your Cybertruck. And these light up like so. These have little sensors on them. Let's see if I can get them to turn on. Yeah, there we go. So when the door opens up and it detects that it's open, they automatically light up. And these aren't powered by your car. It's powered by rechargeable lithium-ion batteries that are in each unit, and they're rechargeable through this little micro USB port right here. There's little sensors on each of these door sill protectors. These are little light sensors, and then when you plug it in, it'll turn red, and then when it turns off, that means it's fully charged. These door sill protectors, they have different lighting functions. You use this little SIM card pin to press on this right here to change this little button right here to change the light modes. This is like a rainbow waterfall mode. I'll press it one time. It's a quicker waterfall. Steady red, steady green, steady blue, steady purple, steady teal. Oh, this one looks dope. Steady yellow, steady white. Got cascading red, cascading green, cascading blue, cascading pink. And you know what? These look pretty sick too. My boys are gonna love messing with this. Waterfall green. This is the most wild one. So what's cool about these is usually they get powered by your car power, and then looks like this one's not even using double adhesive. This is magnetic. I hope so, because that would make installation a breeze and recharging a breeze. So let's go ahead and grab these, bring them outside, and see how easy it is to install them. You know, these are sick. Just make the interior pop a little bit more. You see this was on for a couple of minutes, so it just shut off automatically. You go ahead and close this door right here, and then if we open it back up, automatically turns back on. So this is like a turquoise color, and then up front, it's been off since I've had this door open for a few minutes, but we go ahead and open up the driver's side door again. This is the RGB waterfall. And then I can go on the other side and show you the other colors I'm messing with. I like this color too. This is like a pink color. So these are just magnetic. You can see they're not held on very firmly, but you can feel where it kind of attaches with the magnets. And then just to see if we could see if it actually turns off when we close it, let's see if we could do a quick sneak peek right here. It's still on, still on, still on, still on. Kind of see the color. And it shut off. Bang, bang, boom. EV-Base, another awesome product.